Jeep sales have notably declined over the past 5 years, raising concerns about customer loyalty and market coverage. The discontinuation of popular models has only intensified this financial setback. On a brighter note, a merger with Tesla could present significant advantages, granting Tesla access to Stellantis' extensive dealer network, thereby enhancing its market presence. This integration might simplify the introduction of electric vehicles in regions currently lacking accessibility. Moreover, merging Tesla's cutting-edge technology with Jeep's esteemed brand identity opens new avenues for marketing. Joint campaigns could effectively target both traditional Jeep enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers searching for capable electric vehicles. Additionally, Tesla's advanced driver assistance systems, such as autopilot, have the potential to greatly enhance the driving experience for Jeep owners, making off-road adventures not only safer, but also more convenient. This integration would fundamentally redefine how drivers engage with their vehicles. Furthermore, over-the-air software updates could empower Jeep owners to continuously upgrade their vehicles, introducing new features and optimizations without requiring dealership visits. This modern convenience positions Jeep as a tech-forward brand. Integrating Tesla's efficient supply chain could yield cost benefits and bolster production resilience for Jeep, allowing for quicker development of new electric models. Such collaboration might strategically place Jeep at the forefront of eco-friendly automotive innovation. As Jeep adopts Tesla's production methods, prioritizing quality control becomes paramount. Ensuring that the brand maintains its reputation for reliability and performance is crucial during this significant transition. Moreover, employee training is essential to adapt to the new technologies introduced by Tesla. Equipping the workforce with necessary skills is vital for sustaining production quality. As competition in the automotive industry intensifies, other manufacturers are poised to respond to Jeep and Tesla's electric vehicle offerings. This heightened pressure may catalyze innovation and shifts in production strategies among established car makers. The electric vehicle market is set for remarkable growth, with estimates indicating a compound annual growth rate exceeding 20% over the next decade. This trend presents a significant opportunity for major players like Tesla and Jeep. Jeep's upcoming electric models have the potential to generate substantial revenue, possibly exceeding $10 billion annually by 2030. This optimistic forecast is based on projected sales of approximately 200,000 units each year. Lastly, the partnership between Tesla and Jeep could elevate industry benchmarks, leading to improved performance standards such as extended driving ranges and rapid charging times. This evolution is poised to reshape consumer expectations for electric SUVs.